Hey cyclists! Check out this all-in-one bike chain and crank repair toolkit designed for quick and easy maintenance. It includes a chain breaker, master link pliers, chain wear indicator, and crank puller, perfect for 5 to 12 speed derailleur chains. The chain breaker features a groove design for precise pin ejection and even comes with a replacement pin and iron hook. The master link pliers make removing and replacing quick links effortless, saving you time on the road. The chain wear indicator accurately shows when your chain reaches 0.5% and 0.75% wear, helping you avoid costly damage. Plus, the crank puller comes with all necessary wrenches and works great for indoor exercise bikes too. All tools are heat-treated with comfortable grips and come in a durable nylon bag that easily attaches to your bike frame. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.